Okay, ready, set, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Olivia. Happy birthday to you.
That is really bad behavior. You don't have to freak out. I can light them again. Say, can you please light them again? This is all on video.
Candle.
Don't
blow up.
Okay, Olivia.
All right, we're gonna sing again.
I'll put a candle.
Happy birthday.
No, let's
Oh,
just.
we got more candles to light.
What? Did you blow those up?
Yeah, she just did.
Okay, ready, set, go. Go ahead.
Good job, Liz.
Yay.
Yay.
Those are gonna be hot.
Did you make a wish?
Yep.
What'd you wish for?
Can't tell you, but it won't come true.
Oh, that's right.
Somebody turn the light.
Duh.